Good evening, Professor Levy Grant, Sofia Grigorevska, February 15, 2026, and last week of checking in with Professor Levy Grant. I would like to thank you for having an opportunity to be in your class. It was a pleasure. And I hope I did okay with my final project, my final written report. I really tried to do my best. I was in it with a lot of information. I had to make some cuts and changes if I had to. But all of this information that I have, I think it would be almost double, the presentation would be almost double the length. But I intend to put this on the website when it's finally ready. I also had a wonderful experience with my time with my mentor, which I am very grateful to her. There will be proper steps taken, and thank you card will be sent. Thank you note will be sent to her. I want to thank so much my classmates, especially to Sarah Lamb and Tammy Aranis. And meeting them, it was a wonderful experience, and interviewing them gave me good insights into my project. I know we're scared sometimes of utilize technology, but I also have to say that wellness taught me that using technology is sometimes quicker than trying to write paragraphs. By using words is quicker, and then try to write the even one paragraph sometimes is hard if we don't have this at the moment. But anyway, thank you so much, Professor. It was a great experience, even if the project or report are not perfect. Well, I tried, and thank you so much. I appreciate it, and it was a pleasure to be in your class. I hope to see you again in classes. Well, have a good night.